my name's Dave Groff. I am the production, maintenance, and shipping supervisor here at Conestoga Log Cabins, and I'd like to welcome you to our manufacturing facility. We're over 100,000 square feet under roof here. We're standing in our shipping and receiving area. This is where we bring everything in, we unload and load under roof. When your truck arrives with your building on it, this is what you will most likely see. This is an average size right here. It'll be about a 48-foot flatbed truck, taking up the full amount of the truck. Depending on the size of your building, it may be 1 or 2 trucks for delivery. The driver will have an envelope like this with all these different pieces inside of it. Those pieces will correspond to everything you need to do to start to assemble your cabin, as far as breakdown, where to stack, and how to put it. In here will be instructions telling you exactly which crate to open first, which bundle to open first, so that you don't have your products scattered everywhere, open to the elements from the start to finish. You will not have to search. It will all be spelled out for you.